I just want y'all to see. We see you. It's gotta be good.
It's good, y'all. Damn.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is CC. I hope you see something that inspires you to subscribe. If you're a family member already, welcome back. So you know when you see me in the kitchen, you already know what it means. And the title of the video says cooking with me in the RV. So we are out camping at Lakewood RV Resort in Myrtle Beach. But it's Gabe's birthday and he wants chili cheese dogs and nachos. So to kill two birds with one stone, we're making chili. So come on. First things first, ground turkey. You can use beef or whatever kind of meat you like, but we rocking with turkey. So come on. So in the skillet, we're just gonna brown this up. But I'm gonna add onions, just a little bit. All right, y'all. So I don't know if y'all know that I have a special guest here with me, huh?
It wasn't that close.
It felt close. Sorry. I don't know if y'all know I have a special guest with me, and maybe she will come cook with me. Fingers crossed, she will come cook with me. We'll see. All right, y'all. So the meat is browned, and now it's Instant Pot time. So bust out your Instant Pots and let's go. All right, we got our Instant Pot. We're gonna put it on saute. It's gonna get warm. In my pot, I'm just gonna put a little bit of butter. And then I have a half of orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and a half of onion. So I'm just gonna put all of that in the pot. All right, so our vegetables have sauteed for about like 10 minutes. So now to this mixture, I'm gonna add a can of kidney beans, a can of white navy beans, a can of black beans, all washed and drained. So I'm gonna just pop that in there. And I might add more, just depends on what it's looking like. And then I have a can of Rotel. Dump that in there. Drained. And then not drained is this fire roasted diced garlic tomatoes. So all of that is in there. And then I'm going to add my meat. That didn't work. Let me scrape it all over. And then, just add it in there. And I'm just going to mix it all up. And I think I want more beans. So I'm going to add some more beans. So let me add those and I'll be right back. So I'm adding just another can of all three. beans. And it's still on saute. I'm gonna add another can of tomatoes and another can of rotel as well. But this can of rotel, I'm not gonna drain. I drained the first one, but I'm not gonna drain this one.
Is there a reason why?
I just want some of the liquid for the flavor. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. So we have liquid in there. You can see, look in here. We got liquid. So now I'm going to season it up. Ready? Okay, so first thing in, Sazon. Cumin, and I use a lot. I love cumin. Like love. Some Badia Complete. And I just season the taste, like onion powder. It's chili, so chili powder. Garlic powder. And just a little bit of accent. I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna let Babe taste it. Tell me if it needs anything. Is the season pretty good, or it needs some extra seasoning?
It's fine to me.
All right, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit more liquid. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. It's already seasoned, and just a little bit. I'm eyeballing it, but and I want it a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add, this is cornstarch and water, so like a slurry. All right, so you're gonna turn it off, hit cancel. That's gonna turn it off. I'm gonna make sure it's on sealing. It's off. I'm gonna go pressure cook, and all the time I need is 5 minutes. Take it off and keep warm, and that's it. So I'll see you guys back in a few minutes when it's done. Peace. So my sister decided to pop in and join us, so say hey to the people. Hey people. And Grayson is here, and we are done with our chili. Oh, I think Curtis wants to say hi. My nephew is here. This is Curtis. He's here for Gabe's birthday. He's turning 14, if I haven't already said so. So, in our pot, we are done. Sorry I didn't catch it when the timer went off, but we just needed 5 minutes. The chili is done. I'm about to go throw some hot dogs on the Blackstone. And yeah, so let's head out to the Blackstone, make some chili cheese dogs, get these boys fed, and then we'll be done. All right, y'all, so I'm outside putting these hot dogs butterflied. My family has a preference for butterfly hot dogs. Do any of y'all, like, is your family like butterfly my hot dog, or do they not care? Comment down below and let me know, because I feel like my family be doing the most. So yeah, y'all, look who decided to help out with cooking with me in the RV today. Usually he's behind the camera, but I guess because he wanted his hot dogs a specific way, he decided to get on the grill for y'all today. Well, on the Blackstone. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Did you flip them over?
Not yet. You ready?
Yeah.
Nice and burnt on one end. There we go.
What if everybody don't want burnt hot dogs?
They don't know what chili gonna be on.
So we got our chili, our buns, our hot dogs, onions, and cheese, and chips.
Person except for me.
Can you close that door for me?
You got daddy.
Here is your plate. Plate it up.
Ooh.
What kind of chips you want? How was your hot dog, Gabe?
It was good.
How was your hot dog, Curtis? Good. What you think?
Pretty good.
Bun. Got a dog. Scoop of chili. Some cheese. Some green onions. And we're plated up. But my sister has added an interesting addition to hers, which is some sour cream. So I'm gonna give it a try and I'll let you know. But how's your chili cheese dog?
It's good.
It's good. How's yours? So I'm about to take a bite. Let's see.
Sour cream with your chili?
I do, but I eat sour cream with my chili, but never on my chili cheese dog. So I don't know. I've never had it like this. Comment below. Comment below if y'all eat sour cream on y'all chili cheese dogs. The sour cream is good. Well, you guys, that is it for cooking with me in an RV. Chili cheese, well, chili cheese dogs edition, but really the chili. So let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know how it comes out for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all putting on y'all chili cheese dogs out there. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I just want y'all to see. We see you. It's gotta be good.
It's good, y'all. Damn.
Bye, y'all.